Hi, my name is Corey Halfley, and this is my book, Photoshop CS6 Unlocked, 101 Tips, Tricks, and Techniques. Now back in 2006, my first book was published as a Photoshop anthology, 101 Web Design Tips, Tricks, and Techniques. It was written for Photoshop CS2. Now this new book doesn't just take CS6 screenshots and slap them in. I've actually taken the time to revamp a lot of the dated-looking button and background effects. And so you'll actually learn some new solutions for graphic effects I think you'll like, such as the sticker effect, which was completely created in Photoshop, or a three-dimensional shadow effect that can be used on web pages. Now I've also rewritten and added some entire sections to better address web design and development as it exists today. So for example, if you like to use grid frameworks, I show you how to set up a grid in Photoshop. If you need to make wireframes quickly for today's environment of responsive web design and having your different layouts for mobile and iPad and different sized monitors, then I can show you how to do that as well. And with my solutions, with most of them, I've actually included some in-depth discussions. So you're not just learning the step-by-steps on how to accomplish a task, but you're learning some of the theory behind it and understanding more of how Photoshop works. And that way you can apply these concepts and create new graphic effects yourself. In writing this book, I had to, obviously, get familiar with Photoshop CS6. And let me tell you, I think this is my favorite version yet. Even when I was still using the beta version, I actually ditched my old version of Photoshop and started doing all my work in this version. It really is that efficient and powerful. Now, I love the way that the new crop tool works, for example. I love that they added paragraph and character styles. And in fact, I'm even editing this video in Photoshop CS6. It makes it easy for me to apply photo filter effects such as this one or this one. I am excited to share these things with you in my book, and I really hope that you find Photoshop CS6 Unlocked to be a quick, friendly reference that gives you the knowledge and tools that you need to make awesome web graphics. Thanks so much for watching.